How to disallow account restrictions option on your Roblox mobile. Hello everyone, in this video I will teach you the correct way how to do this. Just follow this video till the end. So now, and the first things, you have to come right here on your Roblox, open it like what you do, and then come to this 3 point here and come to your settings. On your settings, go to your privacy, and right now on your privacy, as you see, I will wait little until it show me all the options right here. So right now what you should do, you will find like an option who name it account restriction. As you see, it's able. I want to disable it. I will just click on it right here, and that's it. So guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. Do not forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.